There's something about spring that makes every home feel ready for a reset. After months of heavy fabrics, closed windows, and dust building up in forgotten corners, the new season is the perfect time to refresh your space. Welcome to the Fast Clean channel. Before we continue, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our expert cleaning tips. Spring cleaning isn't just about sparkle, it's about creating a lighter, fresher environment that feels good to live in. And it doesn't have to be overwhelming if you know where to start. Focus first on the areas that often get overlooked. In kitchens, wipe greasy cupboard doors, clear crumbs behind appliances, and deep clean ovens or extractor fans. In bathrooms, remove limescale, scrub grout lines, and polish fixtures for that fresh look. Living rooms and bedrooms need more than dusting vacuum under furniture, air out upholstery, wash curtains, and open the windows to shift the atmosphere. And don't forget the windows themselves. Clean them inside and out to instantly brighten the whole room. The right tools make all the difference. Microfiber cloths, a vacuum with attachments, and a sturdy brush handle most jobs. Everyday basics like vinegar, baking soda, and lemon juice clean effectively without harsh chemicals. Keep a simple caddy with your essentials so you're always ready to go. Once the big clean is done, a few daily habits will keep things fresh. Open windows for 10 minutes, clear surfaces each evening, and spot clean sinks or counters before messes harden. Rotate seasonal items, store away heavy throws, and bring in lighter ones. Even a small plant or flowers add movement and color to any space. Spring cleaning is about more than tidying, it's about breathing life back into your home. If you enjoyed these tips, give this video a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe to Fast Clean for more expert cleaning advice.